How to add contact form, gadget, widget, layout on your website or blog on Blogger. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Just follow with me until the end, please. First thing you have to do is go to blogger.com. This is the homepage as you can see. Now click on layout right here and it will take you directly to this page. Don't worry, it's so easy. This here you will find all the places on your website. This is the header, the search tab, the page list, the ads, the page body and the sidebars. So I'm gonna choose sidebar bottom and click on the gadget, scroll down and choose contact form, and congratulations, now click save and let's check our blog. And here is it right here on our blog in the sidebar. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.